Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to send money to a Citibank account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citi website. Right here is citi.com if you've not already. Once you have done so, you are going to go and be greeted by this homepage. If you're on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and download the Citibank application and open it up, and it's going to work the same. Now you're going to go and be greeted by the homepage from where we can get started. And the first thing we want to do is to log in. So if you have not already logged in, you want to do so. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is create one. You can open an account if you don't have one. If you already have one but just want to activate it online, you can click the activate button right here. So basically, once you have set up your account and are ready to go, you can log in. Once you have logged in, you're going to go and be greeted by the dashboard. The dashboard is going to be your home page from where you can manage your balance. You can go ahead and take a look at everything you need, all your payments due, and so on. And now we can get started. To send money, we're going to go ahead and be using the payment section. So here we have an article on ways to transfer money. Basically, we have multiple options. If you want to use the bank's website, you have wires and the wire transfer. That is the one option way to transfer money quickly. Through they may come with an associated fee. If there is a fee for the wire transfer, you're going to go and be notified. So basically, you're going to have electronic transfers as well. They're going to enable you to use direct deposits and then send money. But if you're on the mobile app, it's very easy and accessible. This is a very easy accessible way to send money and receive money, as you can see. So basically, you can just click the payment section on your application and get started inputting the information of the recipient, how much you want to pay, and so on. And it's easy as that. You also have the personal check option, cashier checks, and money orders that you can go and send in the mail or in the ATM or in a branch, however you prefer. But on the online version and on the application are the easiest ways. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.